Well, good Tuesday morning. Got a little cloud cover out there. Don't have any rain. May have a sprinkle or two falling from this, but nothing more significant than that, and it doesn't really show up on radar. So you're starting off a Tuesday morning, hopefully with a good cup of coffee or something good to eat, and starting off on a good note. As we get into the afternoon, you remember what happened yesterday with the thunderstorms? Likely to see that again today. So plan for that, have an umbrella handy, and watch out for that lightning. Yesterday it was snapping all over the place, even though we didn't have showers all over the place. 76 degrees at the moment. In fact, let's take a look at the radar right now. Live Doppler radar showing maybe a little dot or two down towards Blanco, but that's about it. Some good news there. All right, we all know that we have shower possibilities now for this afternoon, so no surprises there. Out to the Gulf, and there we go with Tropical Storm Alex, very soon to be a hurricane. In fact, the very latest numbers on this showing 70-mile-an-hour winds gusting to 86, moving north-northwest at 7 miles per hour. And at the moment, we are looking at temperatures here in the 70s. Now, of course, as Alex gets closer, becomes a hurricane, it's going to influence our atmosphere. We see quite a bit of cloud cover showers and thunderstorms in our forecast, at least through Friday. I say at least because we may have an isolated shower or two heading further into the forecast for the weekend. It's a holiday weekend, a lot of outdoor events. I think you'll have to watch out for some occasional showers, but the bulk of all of this should be through by Friday. All right, 76 degrees, temperatures running in the 70s, area-wide. Statewide, rainfall, of course, was quite heavy at times, east, or rather west of I-35. To the east, it was rather dry. We did have some thunderstorms to the southeast of us out towards Houston, Galveston. These thunderstorms are rolling north. They died out, and then you had a little boundary in the atmosphere rolling to the northwest, had another one from the northwest heading southeast. The collision of the two and showers and thunderstorms firing up were pretty impressive. Had some pretty good rainfall totals, anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half, but they were all west of I-35. Hopefully we can fill in some of those gaps today. You can see how everything's played out. A little bit of activity there towards Del Rio, and of course what's happening down in the Gulf of Mexico. So for today, the good news here is this. We are right now, if Alex continues on the path that's expected, where it heads into Mexico and puts the heaviest of rain into South Texas, that could give us the beneficial rain without the flooding. I don't like the flooding down here, but we certainly would like to have some rainfall here without the flooding. I think that'll be the case. Now, 24 hours of weather shows showers in the afternoons and then tapering off overnight. But we do see heavier rain coming in, of course, with Alex along the coast into Wednesday morning. And then by Wednesday afternoon, we could have some very heavy rainfall in deep South Texas. That's where we expect the flooding. This system is a lot like Hurricane Dolly from a couple of years ago. It was 250,000 people without power, $1 billion in damage, and some related deaths as well. 94. Right now looks good. Thunderstorms this afternoon, just like we had yesterday. Same setup for that today. Tonight, thunderstorms starts to taper off overnight. We'll do it again over the next several days. And then after that, into the weekend, looks like it'll improve. Now, the good news is temperatures will drop a little bit. We get some good old-fashioned rainfall. Temperatures in the mid-70s. Watch for the lightning. I know a lot of kids want to go to the pools. They're going to get cabin fever stuck indoors. You may be able to get to the pool early afternoon, but later into the afternoon, rain and thunderstorms more likely. 93, 94, 94 for the weekend and beyond. First warning weather on the radio with Magic 95.5 and Talk Radio 1370 AM.